Hello. So, today I was requested to make a corsage for prom. Now, I've never made one before, and it's Tuesday, and the prom is on Friday. So, I mean, it couldn't possibly be that hard, but then again, the way my life is set up, you never know. Surprises are always around the corner. So, yeah, so I'm gonna hop into Hobby Lobby, I'm gonna get some supplies, and then we're gonna get it cracking and see what's what. So I guess I will catch y'all later. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. Okay, so here's the thing. Their colors are emerald green, black, and gold. And I have absolutely no idea what direction I'm going with this, except that I want this little wristlet that I found. I think that's gonna look really nice, but I'm debating between, like, I don't know, cream flowers or black ones. I don't know yet, so we'll see. I'll probably be in here for like an hour because I love craft stores. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I think I found everything. The only problem with going to Hobby Lobby is if you go and it's busy, because they don't have scan guns. They key everything in by hand individually, and if it's busy, just know you're gonna be there for a minute. But yeah, so I think I found everything I need. Again, like I said, never made this before, so we're gonna find out. And hopefully it goes well. You can tell how optimistic I am. I know it's gonna look good, because I'm a beast. I'm good at what I do. So yeah, whatever happens, it'll look fine. I think they'll like it. It may not be perfect like the way I want it, but that's just because, you know, you're your biggest critic and I'm a bit of a perfectionist. So yeah, other than that though, it should be all good. So yeah, as you can see, I'm moving, so I'm gonna turn this off and I will see y'all, you know, at the table. All right, bye. All right, so we are at the table, and full disclosure, I have absolutely no idea what happened to the audio for the rest of this video. Well, that's a lie. I know exactly what happened to the audio, but it was too much trouble to fix, so you got me live and in color. So let's talk about what I got. So I picked up some gold leaves, some emerald green jewels, some cream colored rose stems, a black rose, whatever flowers these are, some gold and green tulle, and a black rhinestone corsage wristlet, whatever this leaf thing is, some felt, wire, ribbon, floral tape, and wire cutters. Now, you can use scissors if your wire is thin enough, but I would recommend wire cutters just so that you don't jack up your regular everyday scissors. Now, right here, I am telling y'all what I usually tell you, which is that I am doing this for the first time, so you and I are on a journey together. Now, right here, I'm just getting together a game plan, my ideas, and hopefully get it right the first time, because I honestly hate having to remake stuff. But today I was pretty popular, so I got a lot of phone calls and I had a lot of time to do a lot of the prep that I wanted to do off camera, so you won't see a lot of that. And this is one of those moments. I just got off the phone and I did some prep while I was on it, so let's jump into that. So I cut out 2 1-inch squares of felt, and I cut one of them in half. Now, the purpose of that is just to have a base to glue the arrangement onto, and then the ones that I cut in half will go on the back so that it can cover that metal piece, and when you put it on, it doesn't scratch you. I also cut out 8 6-inch pieces of wire and 8 6-inch squares of tulle. So I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing the felt onto the wristlet, And that's basically just a minute long of me burning myself, honestly. So while that's happening, did anyone catch Game of Thrones? Get ready for the spoilers. If you haven't seen the last episode yet, here we go. What in the absolute heck was that? I mean, I think we all knew that Dany had an evil side to her, a dark side to her, because look at how nonchalant she was when her brother got his face melted off. But this was just an all-time low. I mean, unnecessary. And I just have so many questions. I feel like the writer's whole goal was to piss people off, and they succeeded like crazy. What was the point of Jaime and Euron? Euron could have stayed dead in the ocean. Didn't need that scene. Don't understand it. The Mountain versus the Hound. I've been waiting for this fight since the beginning of time, and y'all make it happen when the Mountain is basically Frankenstein. That is like the definition of unfair. I mean, and the thing I hated the most was Cersei's death. Death by castle, guys? Really? She was a horrible person. She deserved a worse death. I was not impressed. I was not impressed in the least bit. I wasn't happy about it at all. But I digress. So, back to our regularly scheduled program. What I am doing here is taking the tulle and folding it in half and sticking a wire through it, and then you just wrap the wire around. Now this is just to create another element to add to the floral arrangement of the corsage. I found that folding it more than once before you stick the wire through it looked better, but that's just me personally. However, it's really whatever you want it to look like. So right here, I'm actually planning on making a boutonniere, and you'll see that later as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all those pieces together, and then you'll see me putting it together now. So again, I had another phone call, so I had some time to do all my pieces, and now I'm finally assembling it, seeing what works best for me, and I don't really know what else to say to y'all right here, except if you're still watching, you are absolutely amazing. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon for post notifications and updates. And I mean, yeah, if you love me, sub me. Tell your friends, aunties, brothers, sisters, uncles, anyone, let me know what you guys want to see next from me, okay? I am here literally all the time, so it'd be great. And yeah, so now here is the finished product. I think it came out really beautiful, and I did the boutonniere off camera. That one's really easy to make. You literally just add pieces and wrap it with floral tape until it feels right. Simple, easy, done. Now, I did get paid to make these, so I just chose to make a video of it, you know, share that process with you guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And to the person receiving them, I hope you absolutely love it. I did also buy a corsage box to put them in, just to make it feel real prom-like. But thank you guys again so much for watching. You know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next from me. And I'll catch y'all later. Bye.